0.5 horsepower pump from the pump to the water system, out to the water system. Here is a point to lead the water to the school. Over here is the school, and over here go to the pick up there. Right here, right here. This video can give you an idea where the water come from to go to the school. Good. Hello, one by one village. I've finished this installation. Here is some point where to lead the water to the school. Hey guys, now children gonna have good clean water. Thank you for all your support. May God bless you all.